Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to connect Vantage to Tradingview. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel, so that will be super awesome. Now coming on to the video, what you need to do is simply head over to the site called Vantage and make sure that you are on original platform, because there are a lot of scam sites that might try to fish you. So make sure you are on this correct site. Once you are here, you are going to be registering your account. Now once you register it, you will be able to see that the trading view that is available, or the statistical charts, are basically used from Tradingview. You can also see the little logo in here as well, so it is already powered by Tradingview. Now why to use Tradingview? Because it is providing the most reliable statistical charts on this type of analytics that you need to do to make your trades. So it is the most reliable one. So make sure you create an account on here on Vantage, and you will automatically be powered by Tradingview. So you do not need to do it by yourself. And yeah, I hope this was something important and new for you. If you learned something new, you can simply consider subscribing. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.